In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Sales Channel in Shopify on desktop. We'll walk through the exact path in your admin and explain what each screen means so you can remove a channel confidently without touching your products or store data. This is helpful when you're pausing a marketplace, simplifying your sales setup, or cleaning up old integrations that you don't use anymore. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin using a desktop browser. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and scroll all the way down to Open Settings. Inside the Settings area, select Apps and Sales Channels. This page is your control center for everything you've connected to your store. You'll see a list of all active sales channels like Online Store, TikTok, Facebook, or POS, along with any related apps. Take a quick moment here to make sure you're in the right place, because decisions you make on this page affect how and where your products can be sold. Find the specific sales channel you want to disable. On its row, you'll see either a three-dot menu or a direct uninstall option. Click that. Shopify will open a confirmation dialog that explains what removing this channel will do. Read the notes carefully. Typically, this step means the channel will stop syncing products, stop accepting orders through that platform, and remove any channel-specific dashboards from your admin. Your core products and existing Shopify orders remain intact. When you're ready, check the box indicating you understand the risks, then choose Uninstall, Remove, or Disable, depending on what the dialog shows for that channel. Shopify will ask you to confirm one more time. Confirming permanently removes the channel from your store's sales channel list. This is about disconnecting the sales destination, not deleting your store content. After you confirm, the page refreshes and the channel disappears from the list. That's your confirmation that it's been removed. From this point on, the channel will no longer be used to sell products, it won't sync data, and you won't see its analytics or management pages in your admin. If you had automations or settings tied specifically to that channel, those won't run while it's removed. If you ever change your mind, you can add the channel back later from the same Apps and Sales Channels page and follow the prompts to reconnect. Just be aware, you may need to reauthorize and reconfigure any settings the channel previously used. To recap the flow, open Shopify on desktop, go to Settings, choose Apps and Sales Channels, locate the channel, open the menu or uninstall, acknowledge the warning, and confirm. That's all it takes to keep your sales setup streamlined and focused on the channels that matter most.